Take a moment to check out the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Why settle for a vehicle that's merely functional when you can have style as well? Get into the Equinox and go places.